Kia ora, and welcome to the third lesson in Māori. Today, we're going to learn how to ask and respond to the question, how are you? To ask, how are you, you say, kei te pēhea koe. Pēhea means how. Kei te indicates that we're talking about the present, like saying, how are you, rather than how were you, which would indicate the past. Koe can change, depending on how many people we're speaking to. Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te pēhea kōrua. Kei te pēhea koutou. To reply, simply replace pēhea with how you're feeling and koe with aho or o, which both mean I or me. Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te paio. I'm well. Kei te māuiwi o. I'm sick. Kei te ngenge o. I'm tired. Kei te hiakai o. I'm hungry. The word for very or really is tino, and we can use it in these sentences. Kei te tino paio. I'm very well. Kei te tino māuiwi o. I'm really sick. Kei te tino ngenge o. I'm really tired. Kei te tino hiakai o. I'm really hungry. To say, and you say, me koe, if you're talking to one person, me kōrua, if you're talking to two people, or me koutou, if you're talking to three or more people. Let's review what we've learned in the last two lessons. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora. Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te tino paio. Me koutou. Kei te pai. Tēnā koe. Ka kite anō. Haere rā. Kei te pai? Okay. There you have it. Now you can ask and answer the question, how are you? In Māori. Ka kite.